Hi there, welcome back to another article marketing robot instructional video. My name is Vince. I am the author of the software. In this video I'm going to do a scheduled article submission with a pre-spun article. So the first thing I want to show you is the article that I'm going to submit. So I'll just open it up right now, hit edit, turn on my colored text so you can see the colored text that's going on. I'm going to increase my font size. So you can see there's a ton of spin syntax in this article. I am just going to do a quick preview, which will load up a web browser window. Drag it into screen here. And you can see that I have an article that is already spun, body word count 560. Just want to check my link. Article marketing. I'm going to be promoting my own website, Article Marketing Robot, using my articles. So the last thing I want to do, well, not the last thing, but the next thing I want to do is I want to spin my article out. So I'm going to spin it, and it's going to do 100 times, hit OK, and that will take a couple minutes to do. So I'm just going to freeze the video, and when it's done I'll pop back in. So our spinning has now completed, and we get this message box here, spinning complete, open folder of articles. I'm going to click yes. And here are all the articles that were spun out. As you can see, each one is different and unique. If I open one up, you'll be able to see the text inside of the article. There's every single article is going to be different. So that's the folder of spun articles. We are now ready to start a submission process. So I'll just hit OK, and this will take us back to the main screen. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to want to do is I want to publish my article to all my article directories. So the first thing I want to do is only select article directories that are OK. The ones still waiting email confirmation or not signed up, I don't need to submit to, because it just won't work. So I'll refresh that, and I have 603 article directories to submit to. So I'm just going to select my all button, and that will enable me to submit my article to all these directories. The next thing I'm going to do is hit my submit button, and what you'll notice is this article pre-submit screen come up. So there's two things you can do in this screen. The first, you can schedule a article submission. So you can select either 20 articles every 24 hours or all the way up to 100 articles every 168 hours, which is, I think, 5 days. I can't remember. But I think I'll just do 15 articles every 1 hour. The other thing you can do is you can submit your article to all selected sites now. So if you select this option, all the selected article directories will be submitted to on a mass submission. But in this case, I'm just going to schedule it to do 15 every 1 hour. So once I hit the OK button, the submission process will start. So here we go. So as you can see, there's a lot of multi-threading going on. We're waiting for all open threads to complete. As the submission finishes, we can then go into some of the article directories and find out why one of them might have failed. You can also view the successful submits as well. So we'll just wait for the threads to complete, and when they're done, I will come back into the video. So I'll just pause it right now. Okay, so you can see that the submission is now complete. I'm just going to pop over to ezinearticle.info, ezinearticle.info. Just make sure we're highlighted. I'm going to click the result button. So this shows that the post has been published right here. This is the result that is stored in the database. This is not the actual website. But one other thing you can do is you can actually highlight it and then hit the login button And what that'll do is it will automatically log into the website that you have highlighted, and then you can go view your profile and view your posts. So this is the live working version. So you can see that my post has been published. It was only 5 minutes ago, and that's how that works. The view button down in the lower left corner will toggle you back over to the results. So maybe we can go check out maybe articles abroad and find out why that failed. So if I go articles abroad, so you can see we've got a fail here. I'm going to just view the results for that one. And as you can see, it didn't log in properly, but we can test it by just hitting the login button. Sometimes article directories don't allow you to log in, and sometimes they do. Things just screw up, and that's what happens. So as you can see, articles abroad doesn't actually allow me to view my author profile, so there's something wrong with that website. I'll try another one. I'm going to go over to Dixini.com and find out why that one failed. So there was a database connection error, and this is Dixini's fault. It's not Article Marketing Robot's fault. So you can see 90% of the time why things fail is because there's something wrong with the website that it's trying to submit to. Now this doesn't mean that the website will stop working. It just means that there's a temporary error, and the webmaster of that site will probably get it back up in no time, and you can continue submitting. So that is the scheduled mass article submission. One last thing I'll show you before I take off is the scheduler here. This just shows you what account and what article has submitted with success and fails, and it shows you the schedule. You can highlight it and delete it, or you can repair it if there's an error state, but right now everything seems okay, so I'll just hit OK. And that is the last thing I wanted to show you. So you can get a free trial of Article Marketing Robot at www.articlemarketingrobot.com. 5-day free trial. Sign up for it. This software is extremely powerful. It's one of the best article marketing tools on the market, so I strongly suggest you give it a try. It'll definitely help your site rankings.